This meditation will make your specific person permanently yours, and they will love you forever. They will crave you and be consumed by the overwhelming urge to contact you and to be by you. All the love you have for them, they will now have multiplied. This meditation is very powerful and pretty much guaranteed to work, so use it with caution. Set your intention before listening instead of letting things be randomly given by the universe. Now, before beginning, take a few seconds to set your attention. Now, let's begin. They love me. They love me so much. They think I am such an amazing person. They belong to me and only me. They know that they belong to me and only me. They know that they were born just for me. They exist for me. They admire me. They respect me. They value everything about me. They think about me even when they are in their shower. They think about me before they go to sleep. They think about me while they are eating. They always think about me. They are so full of thoughts about me. They always care deeply about me. They love the thought of me. They love my name. They love my fingertips. They love the way I blink. They love the way I breathe. They love the way I smile. They love the way I laugh. They love every little thing about me. They can describe how much they love me with the most romantic, poetic examples. They feel poetically in love with me. They feel so good when they talk to me. They feel so good when they look at me. They cannot stop smiling whenever they talk to me. They cannot even hide their smile when they get to talk to me. They cannot stop smiling when they look at me. I am the most beautiful person they have ever seen. I am the most beautiful person they have ever met. I am the most beautiful person in their life. They love me from head to toe. They love every inch of my body. They love my intelligence. They love me so much that they cannot stop smiling and blushing when I am talking. They love me so much that they cannot stop looking at me when I am talking. They love me so much that their eyes are pinned on my face. They cannot stop staring at me. They are lost in their thoughts when they are staring at me. They always think of me. They love thinking about me. They love fantasizing about me. They love fantasizing about taking a vacation with me. They put effort in everything they promise me. They impress me every day. They try their best to impress me. They try their best to keep me around. They try their best to make me feel safe around them. They try their best to make me feel peaceful around them. They love to see me at peace. They love to see me calm. They love to see me happy. They love to see me smiling. They love making me happy. They do everything to keep me happy. They put in so much effort to keep me happy. They want to marry me. They love me permanently. Their love for me is permanent. Their love for me is long-lasting. Their love for me is eternal. Their love for me is already stronger than the heat of the sun. Their love for me is so strong. Their love for me is unconditional. They love everything about me. They smile and blush whenever they talk about me to their friends. They smile and blush whenever they talk about me to their family. They smile and blush whenever they see me looking at them. They smile and blush whenever they hear my name. They smile and blush whenever they think of me. They smile and blush whenever they hold my hands. They smile and blush whenever they wrap their arms around me. They smile and blush whenever they kiss me. They smile and blush whenever they text me. They smile and blush whenever they are on a call with me. They are so in love with me. They claim themselves to be mine. They want to be mine badly. They offer themselves to be possessed by me. They want me badly. They want to be mine. They love being mine. They love dating me. They love being around me. They are so committed to me. They love committing to me. They love being loyal to me. They love being sweet towards me. They love being respectful towards me. They love to prioritize me. They love to put me first before anyone else. They love to express their love for me. They love to publicly brag about being mine. They love to show me off. They love to spoil me with gifts. They would do anything to keep me happy. They would do anything to make me happy. They always keep me happy. They always keep me emotionally safe. They try their best to heal me emotionally. They try their best to help me with everything. They try their best to cook my favorite dishes. They try their best to watch my favorite movies with me. They try their best to participate in my hobbies together with me. They try their best to listen to everything I say. They listen to me with kindness. They listen to me patiently. They listen to me lovingly. They listen to me willingly. They listen to me and my words. They put their friends aside to prioritize me. They always talk honestly about everything with me. They always care about my feelings. They always think before they speak. They always avoid anything that hurt me. They are so in love with me. They are humble and emotionally vulnerable around me. They openly love me. They openly hold me close to their heart. I am the only one they love. I am the only one they think of. I am the only one they need. I am the only one they want to marry. I am the only one they want to be with for life. I am the only one that can make them feel the happiest. I am the only one that can make them feel like they won life just by being around me. They want to give me the best kind of love in the whole world. They want to give me the best memories in the whole world. It is already done. I hope you enjoyed this meditation. Type, "Their love for me is permanent" to affirm. And if you would like to get your desired person back as soon as possible, let me help you by manifesting them for you. You can sign up for me to manifest for you today at joybyjanell.com or by clicking the link in the description box below. Bye, my loves. I will see you in the next meditation.